Hello kids, today's our Vedic maths topic is divided any number with 5. Divided any number with 5. But every trick has some rules. So the rule of this is you have to multiply the main figure with 2. That means make it double of the original figure. That you have to take care about this thing, then you will do it very nicely. So we will go according to an example. So it will be clear very easily. Okay. Our first example is 220 divided by 5. You have to double the figure. Double of 0 is 0. Double of 2 is 4 and double of 2 is 4. That is double of 2 to 0. Now your answer is 44.0. You have to put decimal point here only. Right. So your answer will be 44.0. Now we will go for the another example. 432 divided by 5. You have to double the figure. Right. So, who will tell me the double of 2 is? Right, 4. Double of 3 is 6. And double of 4 is 8. So, your answer is 86.4. You have to put decimal point here after first figure of right hand side. Okay, now we will go for another example. 762 divided by 5. 762 divided by 5. You have to double the figure. Who will tell me? Double of 2 is 4. Very good. Double of 6 is 12. So that is a carry forward number. You have to put 2 here and carry forward number will come here. And double of 4 is, double of 7 is 14. Plus 1 is 15. So you have to put the decimal point here. 152.4 is the answer. Now we will do it mentally and going with a fast way. Okay. Now we will start to mental counting with double the figure. You have to practice the double the figure. Then only you will go it very nicely and easily. The first is 344 divided by 5. Double of 4 is 8, double of 4 is 8 and double of 3 is 6. Your answer is 68.8. That is your answer. 462 divided by 5. So you have to double the figure. Double of 2 is 4, double of 6 is 12. So you have to put number 2 here and carry forward number will come here. And the double of 4 is 8 plus 1 is 9. Your answer is 92.4. Now we will go further example. 732 divided by 5. Double the figure. Double of 2 is 4. Double of 3 is 6. And double of 7 is 14. So your answer will be 146.4. That is your answer. Then we will go 921 divided by 5. Double of 1 is 2. Double of 2 is 4. And double of 9 is 18. Okay. 184.2 is your answer. Now, further two examples are there. 868 divided by 5. Double of 8 is 6. Double of 6 is 13. You have to put here 3 and carry forward number will come here. So, double of 8 is 16 plus 17. So, your answer is 173.6. That is your answer. 462 divided by 5. Double of 2 is 4. Double of 6 is 12. You have to put 2 here. Carry forward number will come here. Double of 4 is 8. And you have to plus this one number 1. So, 9. So, your answer will be 92.4. So that way you have to practice with number 2, with number 3 and with figure 4. You have to practice with the figure of 2, figure of 3 and figure of 4. Okay. Now we will go according to blackboard. Okay, so first is seven one. We will go with two figure only. 7 1 divided by 5. Okay, now who will tell me the double of 71? Double of 1 is 2 and double of 7 is 14, right? So what is your answer? 14 plus 2, that is your answer. We will go for the another example. 95 divided by 5. So you have to double the figure. Double of 5 is 10. You have to put 0 here and carry forward number will come here. Double of 9 is 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. So your answer is 19.0. Okay. Now we will go for the another example, that will be a three figures. Okay, so again 7 9 9 divided by 5. Your figure will be double of 9 is 18. You have to put 8 here and carry forward number will come here. Double of 9 is 18 plus 1, 19. You have to put 9 here and carry forward number will come here. Then double of 7 is 14 plus 1, 15. So your answer will be 159.8. Right? That is your answer. Right? So again we go for the another example. Okay? That is 1 3 4 divided by 5. Double the figure. Double of 4 is 8. Double of 3 is 6. And double of 1 is 2. Your answer is 26.8. That is your answer. Okay. Now we will go for the three figure number. Okay. Your three figure number. 3 7 8 2 divided by 5. Very good. Now you have to double the figure. Double of 2 is 4. Double of 8 is 16. You have to put 6 here and carry forward number will come here. Double of 7 is 14 plus 1, 15. And double of 3 is 6. Your answer is 656.4. That is your answer. Okay. Now we will go for last example. 9 8 0 2 divided by 5. You have to double the figure. Double of 2 is 4. Double of 0 is 0. Double of 8 is 16. You have to put 6 here and carry forward number will come here. And double of 9 is 18 plus 1, 19. Your answer is 1960.4. That is the answer. That way you can do with different digit numbers. That will be 2 figure, 3 figures, 4 figures, 5 figures, any. So you do it practically. Try to do it practically and mentally. Okay. So if you like my video, then subscribe it, share it, and if you have any queries, please contact me on my WhatsApp number that is given in my description. Thank you very much.